How to set A4 size in PowerPoint. First of all, you have to open a PowerPoint in your device. After you have opened it up, now let's get towards the blank presentation. Now to set A4 size, navigate to this menu bar at the top of this interface. From there, click on Design. Once you're under Design, navigate to your top right corner, then click on Slide Size. From here, you have to click on Custom Slide Size. Now, you have this small pop-up box in your interface. From here, click on this drop-down that says Slide Sized For. There you get an option as A4 paper. Choose the A4 paper. Then click on OK. Now, there you will have two options, either to maximize or to ensure fit on your new slide. So according to your preferences, choose one from there. For now, I will just go with ensure fit. So that's how you can set A4 in your presentation. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.